Behavioral theory perspective. Behavior theories believe that human personality can best be understood by our learning, cognition, and the laws in the natural environment. They focus on objectively observable behaviors and discount the interplay of the psychic and of the psychodynamic theories. Behavioral theories define learning as nothing more than the acquisition of new behavior based on environmental condition. The environment is perceived as a set of stimuli for an individual to interact or respond. The response between the individual and the stimuli of the environment provides an avenue for us to learn from our action. The oldest theory of behaviorism dates back to Descartes, who introduced the idea of a stimulus. He posits that human personality is rooted in the mind or rational soul. It is distinct from but related to the body. Its essential attribute is thought, and its association with the body is primarily in the pineal gland of the brain. The mind has a cognitive faculty of understanding for acquiring knowledge and a free will towards our feelings or emotions. Other behaviorists doing researches include one, Dollard and Miller stimulus response theory, focusing on the law of action, response, and reaction stimuli in the natural environment. 2. Ivan Pavlov classical conditioning in his drooling dogs experiment developed a technique used in behavioral training in which a naturally occurring stimulus is paired with a response. Next, a previously neutral stimulus is paired with the naturally occurring stimulus. Eventually, the previously neutral stimulus comes to evoke the response without the presence of naturally occurring stimulus. The two elements are then known as the conditioned stimulus and the conditioned response. 3. Skinner operant condition using pigeons and rats in his experiment developed a method of learning that occur through reward and punishment for behavior. Through operant conditioning, an association is made between a behavior and a consequence for that behavior. 4. Thorndike, in his experiment on cats, discovered behavior becomes dominant and habits are formed when behavior produces the desired effect. He proposed that humans and animals acquire behaviors through the association of stimuli and responses. He advanced two laws of learning to explain why behavior occurs the way they do. The law of effect specified that any time a behavior is followed by a present outcome, that behavior is likely to recur. The law of exercise states that the more a stimulus is connected with a response, the stronger the link between stimulus and response. Contribution of the behaviorist theories. 1. Behavior can be learned. It provides us a method and choice to develop our positive behavior and defreeze our negative behavior. 2. Behavior can be nurtured. It helps us to develop, motivate, and control the behavior of a significant others. 3. It provides a medium for personality changes for better or for worse. Behavior can be reinforced, strengthened, and sustained by rewards and diminished by punishment and extinction. Limitation of behaviorism. 1. The approach is normothetic, in that it is investigating animals and people to try to find general laws of behavior that apply to both people and brutes. It is not ideographic and is unable to help us to understand and describe the unique patterns of behavior of an individual. It excludes the function of the human psychic and its mental processes of explaining human behavior. It does not predict human differences, as it does not classify personality in personality traits or types. It assumes that general laws relating to the behavior of animals can be applied to describe human beings. This assumption is debated by the cognitive theories that there is a gap for the intellect to mediate between stimulus and response. It is unable to explain complex behavior where an individual response to stimuli varies with the situation and across time.